Want to speak English easily? Let's learn step by step. Hello, viewer. Welcome to Learn English with Grandma. Do you know the names of things in your kitchen in English? Today, we are going to learn them together in a very easy way. Let's start. This is a baking tray. We use a baking tray for baking food in the oven. Repeat after me. Baking tray. This is a cake pan. We use a cake pan for baking cakes. Repeat after me. Cake pan. This is a frying pan. We use a frying pan for cooking and frying food. Repeat after me. Frying pan. This is kitchen scissors. We use kitchen scissors for cutting food or packaging. Repeat after me. Kitchen scissors. This is a ladle. We use a ladle for serving soup or liquids. Repeat after me. Ladle. This is a measuring cup. We use a measuring cup for measuring ingredients. Repeat after me. Measuring cup. This is measuring spoons. We use measuring spoons for measuring small amounts of ingredients. Repeat after me. Measuring spoon. This is a mixing bowl. We use a mixing bowl for mixing ingredients. Repeat after me. Mixing bowl. This is a muffin tin. We use a muffin tin for baking muffins or cupcakes. Repeat after me. Muffin tin. This is oven mitts. We use oven mitts for protecting our hands from heat. Repeat after me. Oven mitts. This is a pressure cooker. We use a pressure cooker for cooking food quickly with steam. Repeat after me. Pressure cooker. This is a rolling pin. We use a rolling pin for flattening dough. Repeat after me. Rolling pin. This is a saucepan. We use a saucepan for cooking liquids or sauces. Repeat after me. Saucepan. This is a skillet. We use a skillet for cooking food on the stove. Repeat after me. Skillet. This is a skimmer. We use a skimmer for removing food from hot oil or water. Repeat after me. Skimmer. This is a spatula. We use a spatula for flipping or turning food while cooking. Repeat after me. Spatula. This is a stockpot. We use a stockpot for cooking large amounts of food or soup. Repeat after me. Stockpot. This is tongs. We use tongs for picking and serving food. Repeat after me. Tongs. This is a wok. We use a wok for cooking food quickly at high heat. Repeat after me. Wok. This is a wooden spoon. We use a wooden spoon for stirring and cooking food. Repeat after me. Wooden spoon. If you want to speak English fluently, don't miss the next lessons. Follow and subscribe now for more videos like this. And don't forget to practice every day. See you in the next video. Bye.